The purpose of this introductory video is to help you navigate and utilize, whether it's for monitoring trades or placing trades, the new futures and options trading platform. This is an efficient, feature-rich, and speedy trading platform for futures and options traders. Even though this is simply a tutorial video for trading platform, I have to make sure that you understand there is a substantial risk of loss in trading futures and options. Trading is not suitable for everybody. It's not suitable for most people. My name is Carly Garner. This is my contact information if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I am a futures and options broker with DeCarley Trading in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are a branch of the Zaner Group. If you're on social media, you can find us on X, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Just look us up. We're there. We post a lot of charts, market commentary, hopefully educational videos, and I also post some dog pictures here and there. I'm a broker, strategist, and author. I do provide commentary and content to Jim Cramer's Mad Money, Bloomberg Television. I'm on RFD TV a couple times a week. And for our brokerage clients, I do provide some trading recommendations, commentary, analysis. Some of it good, some of it not so good, but that's the name of the game. Now that we have introductions out of the way, let's start looking at the trading platform. This platform is based on the popular CQG Desktop application. It's free to use, and there are no additional transaction costs. So a lot of platforms tell you it's free, but then as you're trading, you see a platform fee added in addition to the commission or exchange fees. This platform's free to use. It's a web-based application, and what this means is it's compatible with a Mac computer as well as a Windows computer on any browser. So you don't have to worry about downloading software. You don't have to worry about moving your settings from one computer to the next when you're traveling. Everything comes with you. It's browser-based, server-side settings. So if you open it up on your laptop, the same settings are going to be there as they were on your desktop. There's a mobile application that's also linked to the username, so your settings and customizations will move to your mobile app, and it's fully customizable. It can be as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. Throughout these tutorials, we're going to feature several page layouts that I personally have created for our brokerage clients at DeCarley Trading. So if you want access to these, if you're trading with us and you want access to these, or you're running a demo with us and you want to take a look at these layouts, let me know and I'll email them to you. Send us an email at info@decarleytrading.com and we'll get those to you. This platform is entirely customizable. You can set it up for day trading, you can set it up for option trading, option spread trading, whatever it is that you're trying to do, you can do with this platform. The difficult part is it is customizable, so it can be overwhelming. Some people get a little bit frustrated with the process. So what we've done is we've actually built some templates for our clients to use based on what we think is going to be optimal for them. Most of our clients are trading options or they're trading futures in a position manner. For example, swing trading, long-term position trading. We do have some day traders and this platform is really great for that, but most of our clients are probably better suited for a view like this. We call it the DT view, and it's a page that we can share with you. If you're on our platform, send us an email and we can share this page with you so that you don't have to create it yourself. We've already done the work for you. We've also created a couple other views, option trader view. You'll notice that there's a cloud icon next to these pages. That's because we have created these for our clients and we can share them to our clients by sending them a link. So again, if you're interested, just let us know and we'll send it over to you. There are some pages that have a lock button, and the lock icon lets you know that those are locked pages. You can't customize them, but they're designed to fit the average trader. And you can see that the quote board gives you a lot of information on a lot of markets, energies, metals, fixed income in a single view. The pre-built homepage is probably most catering to day traders. There's an indices quote board that have the stock indices, micros and minis, and you can buy or sell straight from the quote board or from the dome panel. They call a hot ticket in this platform. And you can also see your account summary, your positions, and your purchases down here on the bottom. So if this is more up your speed, obviously use that tab instead of something that we've created like this. We are going to go over these views in subsequent tutorials, but just wanted to point them out to you. And I'm going to kind of give you a couple quick hints on how this platform is laid out. So you can build pages. If you click Add Page, you can load an empty page or you can load a page based on any of these standard pages that have already been created, and then you can customize them from there. So if you like the home page, let me go back to that. If you like the look of the homepage, you can't customize this one, it's locked. But what you could do is add a page and load it, and it'll create a new one. So I'll go ahead and do that just so you can see what it looked like. It duplicated this home page. So now if we wanted to customize it, we could do that. We could change the rows around, we could change the columns around, we can do whatever we want. I'm going to go ahead and delete that so it doesn't mess us up. But if you really liked one of the locked pages, you could recreate it and customize it the way you need to. So these are all pages or layouts or workspaces, whatever you want to call them. Below the divider, below the midpoint of the page, these are all widgets. And each of these widgets can be added to any page. I'm going to just open a test page. I'm going to create an empty page and I'm going to call it test, just so that we can take a look at a few widgets. I'm not going to go in detail on all these. We'll do that in later tutorials, but just to kind of show you what's available. Once I open a test page, you'll notice these all correspond to the widgets down below. I can choose what I want to make this page. I can add these widgets to this particular page. Let's add a chart. And we can also, to the same page, add quote board. There's different types of quote boards. There's this quote spreadsheet, which is what I like, which is basically a horizontal view. There's a couple other different versions. You can certainly pick around and see what you like. You can even do scrolling ticker. For example, let's scroll the energies, and you can create a scroller at the top. We can add a new tab. We can maybe add a heat map. So there's all kinds of different things you can do, different views, different widgets to use. Again, I'm not going to tell you what's going to be most useful for you. You've got to figure that out on your own. But I will create workspaces that I think are going to be the most useful for most of our clients. And then you can add or subtract accordingly based on what it is that you think you need and what's going to make you the most efficient in your trading. There are also a couple of different order entry tickets. If I click on the trade button here on the menu, I can choose between a hybrid order ticket, and that's basically a dome panel. I can also add just a regular old vanilla order entry ticket. We'll go through these in a minute. There's a strategy builder for those of you that are trading spreads. And of course, you can also add orders, working orders, filled orders, fills, positions. So anything that you want to view, you can add to any page and customize them. I'm going to show you something real quick before we go and start to dig into some of the other details. But you can rearrange these things. So if I drag and drop this, I can put the positions down there. If I want my strategy builder to be on the side, if I want my hot order ticket to be included in the same view, I can do that. If I change my mind and want to drag it back, I can also do that. You can see as I'm dragging, a gray box shows me where that drag is going to drop. And finally, you will see there's a preferences button down here. I can click on preferences and you can change the color of the platform. You can change the color of the bar up and down bars. You can change almost anything that you want to change. You can tell the system what you want to be notified of and what you do not. I'm not going to go into too much detail here because we could literally spend all day. It's going to take a little time to set things up the way that you want them to be, but I can guarantee you can customize it almost any way you want. In the next section, we're going to talk about customizing and designing a layout or workspace that works for you.